All right, today's maker talk will be about pricing. I get a lot of questions from beginning makers about this. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm not telling you how to price your work, but an easy way to do it. So me personally, a lot of my pieces are standard 2 foot by 4 foot. I know how to price those. But what if you have an odd size, like a 17-inch by a 36-inch or something like that? I found a way to charge by the square foot, but I have a formula that brings it down to the inch. So you can easily say 17 inches by 36 inches, apply a factor, and it's really easy. All right, boring spreadsheet time, but this is the easiest way for me to show you. So I created a formula. I know that there's 144 inches in a square foot. And here's a variable. I can put whatever number I want to charge per square foot in this box. And that will give me the cost per inch. So you can see here, if I wanted to change this to $45 per square foot, I would have a factor of 0.313 per square inch. So you can see down here, I did some different price points. Feel free to screenshot this if it helps you. So then you come down here, if you have a piece that measures 27 by 32, that equals 864 inches times my factor of 0.313, which you'll see down here, that would equal a base rate of 270. All right, so that was pretty easy, right? And I want to stress that that should be your base rate you're choosing. If you have something where a customer wants special paints that you have to go out and purchase, or any additional materials on top of that, of course adjust your pricing. But I like this because for basic work it gives me a sliding scale. If I'm doing something super easy that's not the heavy geometric work, I'll probably do a lower scale. If it's something very intricate or lumber prices are crazy, which they have been, I can come up depending on what I'm seeing at my lumber store. So once you figure that out, there's another tip to make your life easier too. Let me show you. Once you have this down, if you want to get it even fancier, you can build yourself another formula. So I have this simple formula up here that I can change. So let's do a 48 length by 12 inches, long and narrow. With my factor, that would be 180, and I even plugged in my sales tax so I can easily get a total. All right, so I hope that helped you. If it did, feel free to screenshot that and use it. If you would like me to email you that basic template, I would be happy to. Just drop your email here, and once I collect several, I will send a batch out to everyone who wants it. And I hope that helped.